जब मैंने अपनी पहली वीडियो डाली थी मैंने वो हीटर के सामने बैठ के बनाई थी, वो हार्ड टाइम्स वाली वीडियो। एंड ड्यूरिंग हार्ड टाइम्स हीटर कम्स टू योर रेस्क्यू। नो, आई एम किडिंग। ओके okay, hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Actually, I should say welcome back to my YouTube channel because it is unthinkable to me to finally be back and post a freaking YouTube video again. और फिर से कुछ लोग बोलेंगे कि इंग्लिश में बोल रही है, बट जैसा आएगा हिंदी इंग्लिश उन भाषाओं में मैं बोलूँगी। अब डायरी में मैं मोस्टली इंग्लिश में लिखती हूँ एंड आई एम कमिंग बैक टू द पास्ट, like I'm returning to the past. I am posting this video. This seems like a thing of the past. मैंने कितने टाइम से कैमरे के सामने वीडियो नहीं बनाई है जो मैं पोस्ट करने वाली हूँ। मैं बनाती हूँ वीडियोस नॉर्मली, बट मैं पोस्ट नहीं करती हूँ अब उनको, व्लॉग्स या रेगुलरली जो मैं पोस्ट कर रही थी पहले। बट खैर, मैंने सोचा है कि इस साल मैं रेगुलरली नहीं तो पर पोस्ट करूँगी। एंड शुरुआत यहाँ से करते हैं कि थोड़ा पास्ट की तो और जाकर देखते हैं कि मैंने पास्ट में क्या किया है एंड हाउ मच हैज़ चेंज एंड व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड एंड एवरीथिंग. It could be a life update, but it could also be your today's video that could make your day or make it brighter. And so we'll begin with my diaries entries, where I'll take you through my past and some things that I've written in it. I do want it to get published someday. I want my diary to get printed. एक बार मेरे पापा ने मुझसे ऐसी मजाक में कहा था कि क्या पता ये कभी प्रिंट हो ऐसा, एंड आई डिड नॉट थिंक कि डायरी प्रिंट, बट क्योंकि डायरी ऑफ एन फ्रैंक इज़ अ रियल थिंग एंड कई डायरीज क्या पब्लिश हुई हैं. आई रेड सिल्विया प्लाथ's जर्नल एंट्रीज एंड आई वंडर somewhere after I'm not here, someone would take interest into my life maybe, and they would read it all. But for now, I'm going to read fragments of my past year, and that's it. That's what we are going to do today. I hope you don't get bored, but we'll start off with it's very funny. It's so funny. Let me be real here. I was trying to act very sophisticated earlier. I'm not that sophisticated. I'm going to be fun and as myself as I could be. Okay, so this year started with a very random, freaking, stupid, what is it, a Wednesday? And it was a sad day. Why? Because there was this failed plan that I am going to achieve this year. I hope when I'm posting this video, I am actually living that dream that I did not live last year. I was going to visit my nani in ठंडियाँ गाँव में, क्योंकि ठंडियों में मुश्किल होता है गाँव में रहना, एंड इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली मुश्किल यहाँ पर भी. पर पिछले बार में मैंने ये सोचा था कि कोई बात नहीं, नानी की थोड़ी हेल्प हो जाएगी, एंड देन नानी को जितना काम करना पड़ता होगा ठंड में उतना नहीं करना पड़ेगा. और क्योंकि एक पोएम हमने पढ़ी थी 12th क्लास के टाइम पे, और वॉज इट 11th, माई मदर एट 60, माई 12th, राइट. तो वो पोएम ने मुझे बहुत इंस्पायर किया कि दिस एजिंग थिंग एंड दिस एजिंग इज़ डेथ इज़ रियल. तो यू शुड गिव योर लव्ड वंस एज मच टाइम एज यू कैन गिव देम, बिकॉज द टाइम इज़ लिमिटेड, राइट. तो फिर फेल प्लान के साथ शुरू होता है, लेकिन धीरे धीरे आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट्स ओके, एंड मे बी बाद में हम गांव जाएंगे. फिर आई हैव told my diary how I'm going to read and drink chai in the sun and sit in the sun, eat malte and whatnot, and that is exactly my vision for winters each year, every time. फिर there's this random burst of gratefulness that I get sometimes, and it is very fun and very something that should always happen, at regular intervals. You are grateful for the most irrelevant, most basic things, because sometimes we take things for granted and it's hard to see it sometimes. But the things that we have, that we consider basic, or that we consider not even worthy of being thankful for, are things that many people don't even have or can't even imagine having. So yeah, and sometimes those are what I write about. Then there was this video of mine last year that got pretty viral on Instagram, and I got some very crude, very what do I say? Very what very weird DMs and comments, and that video really made an impact on me, even though I pretended to not care about it or anything. It got around 30K views, and it was supposed to be a fun video because I was trying to be funny. That did not happen, and it really changed the trajectory of my life in the way that I stopped posting regularly on Instagram, and I made my account private afterwards. And I also gradually stopped posting on YouTube as well. But I still posted sometimes, but I eventually stopped. Then there are some lines that I really like when I read them, and there are many grammatical mistakes as well. But there's this line, what I sometimes forget is I can be unlikable, unlovable, and unknown to people. And it is very funny because it's unthinkable to me that hate could be an emotion, because sometimes it's very hard for me to hate a person even though that person has done me wrong or something. But I would never hate a person. I would always give reasons for that person's unkindness or their bad behavior towards me by, I don't know why I do that, but I do. Fair. Now it would take a long to talk about it all, but it's very fun to read about your past and to see how far you've come. I have written how I want all my visions to come true this year. I want to have a holistic growth, and there are things that you put in your vision board or you envision to live in your year or in your life, but some things come very randomly at you, and those could be good and bad both. Like, I could not imagine writing a research paper and getting it published or getting selected at national level, but that happened, and it's unthinkable and unimaginable sometimes. But some things will happen at their time, and you cannot ever understand the timing of universe or God's timing, but always trust in it. And that's what I did. There were very ups and downs this year, but many good things happened. I learned a lot from my friends, my seniors, my juniors as well, and I made a lot of new friends. What it's called networking in a very formal way. But no, I did not network. I made a lot of friends, and it's hard for me to keep contact, not just for me but for everybody, to keep in contact with everybody, all the friends, the old friends, the new friends, the classmates, everybody. But somehow I tried, and uh, I hope I succeeded at it, because it's hard to say if I did well or not, because it's something very subjective. Like, my friends would tell you a different story. Maybe they have some what problems with the frequency that I contact them, but I think we all understand each other, and my friends have this understanding that sometimes I'm going to completely vanish and then appear somehow after a few months or something. And that's what has happened recently. I It's my usual thing, I'll disappear, and then I'll come back. Like, I disappeared for a few months when there was NEET exam, but I reappeared with the Gaon vlogs, and then I again disappeared from YouTube. But that's not the case. I'm going to return, and that's what you should always keep in your mind. I might disappear, but I will come back. I might die, but I will come back in some other form, maybe. Or maybe I'll watch you from heaven or hell, but I will be back somehow. And I think this is it for the video. This is just some talking, I don't know, just a random update video that I am alive and I'm having a great time in this life. and I am learning new things, trying different things, and just trying my best at life. So yeah, bye.